Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning blush draping look, a technique that not only sculpts your face but adds a beautiful flush of color. So before we get into the video, I explain what is blush draping, who invented this technique and how it became trending now. So first, what is blush draping technique? Blush draping is a makeup technique where blush is applied not just to the apples of the cheeks but also extended up towards the temples, around the eyes, and even on the forehead and nose, creating a more sculpted and dramatic look. It's essentially using blush as a contour. And this technique was invented by makeup artist Waybandy in 1970s. Waybandy was a prominent makeup artist in the fashion and entertainment industries and was known for his innovative techniques. And the recent revival of blush draping as a trend can be attributed to various influencers and makeup artists. Bringing it back into the spotlight is hungvanngo. He is a highly acclaimed celebrity makeup artist, worked with a wide range of celebrities including Selena Gomez, Emily Ratajkowski, Jennifer Lopez, Bella Hadid, and many more. His work is often seen on red carpets, magazine covers, and in high-profile fashion campaigns. And brands like Fenty Beauty and Glossier have also played a role by promoting blush-heavy looks in their campaigns. And then social media influencers and beauty content creators have then adopted and spread the technique, making it widely popular again. So let's see how to create that. As always, good skin prep is the key. So I have already prepped and primed my face. Now I am going to color correct my face using Forever 52 Cream Concealer Palette. I picked these two shades and correct my dark spots on my cheeks, nose and corner of my mouth. And then I picked the peach corrector for my dark circle, applying to the spot and then blending it with the same brush. And then for blending and removing the excess product, I am using a triangle puff. For foundation, I am using Forever 52 Cover Up Foundation in the shade FCU 20.2 Biscuit that matches my skin tone and give a tad bit brighter. I like to dot it all over my face and blend it out using a damp beauty sponge for a flawless finish. Make sure to blend it well into your neck so everything looks seamless. And then I'm using the same concealer palette from Forever 52, picking the lighter shade than my foundation to brighten my under eyes and blend it out with the same beauty sponge. And then to set everything in place using a translucent powder again from Forever 52, and then I like to focus on my T-zone area under the eyes and around the mouth to prevent creasing. This step will also help our blush draping look more seamless later on. Before moving on to the blush draping, I am going to quickly fill in my brows to frame the face. I am using a pomade from Swiss Beauty to lightly define and shape my brows. For blush draping, you will need a blush that's slightly deeper than your usual shade. You can go for something rosy, peachy, or even something more daring like a plum or berry tone. I am using Touch Blush Palette from iMagic in the shade Aromatic. Usually I am using the shade Damsel and Sweet. For this blush draping technique, I go with a tad bit deeper tone like Aromatic to create more drama. Start by applying the blush at your temples and gently sweep the color up towards your hairline using fluffy brush. This will start the draping effect. And next, bring the blush down towards the apples of your cheeks. You want to connect the color from the temples to the cheeks, creating a seamless gradient. Don't be afraid to build up the intensity. Blush draping is all about that bold flush of color. For more dramatic look, you can take the blush around your eyes, blending it into your eyeshadow. As you can see in the video, just above the crease, this adds the depth and dimension to your overall look. And then for contouring, I am dipping into a deeper blush in the shade Nature with the same palette and applying as my contour as well as jawline and a tad bit of my nose. And then I blend everything seamlessly with a fluffy brush. To finish off the look, I am curling my lashes, adding a coat of mascara. If you want, you can add false lashes too. And for the lips, I am using a lip liner from Street Wear Cosmetics in the shade Chuckberry. And the lipstick is from My Glam Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Draking. Once you are happy with the blush application, finish off the look with your favorite setting spray to lock everything in place. You can also apply a matching lip color to complement the blush. And I am adding a bit of highlighter on the top of my cheekbone and bridge of my nose to enhance the draping effect. This will add a glow and further define your features. And there's you have it, blush draping look is completed. It's such a versatile technique whether you want something soft for everyday or a bold statement. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Blush draping is such a fun way to add a pop of color and really enhance your natural features. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more makeup tutorials and also hit the notification bell so never you miss an update. Leave a comment below letting me know what makeup technique you did like to see next. I always love hearing your suggestions. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.